Important MCQs on slave dynasty of Delhi Sultanate. First, to take care of the conquered lands, Muhammad Gauri left behind his trusted general. Our options are here. The first one, A. Nasiruddin, B. Iltamash, C. Qutbuddin Aibak, and D. Malik Kafur. Our right option is here the third one, C. Qutbuddin Aibak. Important MCQs on slave dynasty of Delhi Sultanate. First question. To take care of the conquered lands, Muhammad Gauri left behind his trusted general. Our options are here. The first one, A. Nasiruddin, B. Iltamash, C. Qutbuddin Aibak, and D. Malik Kafur. Our right option is here the third one, C. Qutbuddin Aibak. Next, match the following. First, the slave dynasty 1206 to 1290. Second, the Khilji dynasty 1290 to 1320 CE. And third, the Tughlaq dynasty 1320 CE to 1414 CE. Fourth, the Sayyid dynasty 1414 to 1451 CE. And fifth, the Lodi dynasty 1451 CE to 1526 CE. These are already matched. Next, the first dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate has been designated as dash. Our options are here: the slave, B. the early Turks, C. the Mamluks, and D. the Ilbaris, and E. all the above. Our right option is the last one, E. all the above. Next question. Aibak was in his childhood, he was first purchased by a dash as a slave. Our options are here. The first one, Qazi of Nishapur, B. Qazi of Ghazna, C. Qazi of Gaur, and D. Qazi of Herat. Our right option is here. The first one, Qazi of Nishapur. Next question. Muhammad Gauri nominated him as the viceroy of his newly conquered dominions in India before he served as a dash. Our options are here. The first one, Amir Akhur, B option Amir Risalat, C option Amir Arz, D option Amir Takhraj. Our right option is here. The first one, A. Amir Akhur. Next, in 1210 CE, Aibak died of injuries received in a fall from his horse while playing dash. Our options are here. The first one, horse racing, B. horse taming, C. hunting, and D. polo or chogan. Our right option is here. The final one, D. polo or chogan. Next, Qutbuddin Aibak liberally distribution of money. He earned the title. Our options are here. The first one, Hazar Baksh, B. Lakh Baksh, C. Tekda Baksh, and D. Arab Baksh. Our right option is here. The second one, Lakh Baksh. Next question. Qutbuddin Aibak was a patron of men of letters. Scholars like Hassan Nizami adorned his court. His famous book dash. Our options are here. The first one, Tarikh-e-Firishta, B. Tarikh-e-Firoz Shahi, C. Tajul Masir, and D. Tarikh-e-Aliya. Our right option is here. The famous book, C. Tajul Masir. Next question. Qutbuddin Aibak constructed dash. Our options are here. The first one, A. at Delhi Quwwatul Islam Masjid, B option at Ajmer Adhai Din Ka Jhopra Masjid, and C. the foundation of Qutub Minar, D option all the above. Our right option is here. The final one, D all the above. Next, in 1210, who ascended the Delhi Sultanate throne? Our options are here. The first one, A. Shamsuddin Altamash, B. Aram Shah, C. Nasuruddin Muhammad, and D. Muizuddin Ahmad. Our right option is here. The second one, Aram Shah, B. Next, consider the following options and choose the incorrect options. Our options are here. The first one, A. Iltutmish commenced his career as a Sare Jahandar. In B option, he soon owned the administration of his master and became a governor of Badayun. In C option, since he belonged to the Mamluk tribe, his successor are known as a Mamluk Turks. And D option, he is regarded as the real consolidator of the Turkish conquest in North India. Our incorrect option is here the third one, C, Mamluk. It is a Ilbari. Next, consider the following statements and find the correct options. Our first option is in 1221, Chengiz Khan appeared for the first time on the banks of the Indus. B, he defeated Jalaluddin Mangbarni, the ruler of Khwarizm. Mangbarni sought asylum from Iltutmish. And C option, Iltutmish refused to give him shelter in order to save his empire from the onslaught of Mongols. D option, fortunately for Iltutmish and Jalaluddin Mangbarni Khwarizm, Chengiz Khan had to return back his attention to his home region. Our correct options are here A, B, C and D. Next, match the following events with their dates. First, suppression of revolts of the Rajasthan chiefs, 1226. And second, conquest of Ranthambore, Ajmer and Gwalior, 1235 CE. And the defeat of the Kobacha of Sindh, 1228 CE. And an expedition against Malwa, 1234 CE. And finally, fifth, conquest of Ujjain, 1235 CE. These events with their dates already correctly matched. Next question. Iltutmish organized the nobles in a corporate body known as a dash. Our options are here. The first one, A, Turkane Chahalgan, B, Turkane Mamluk, and C, Turkane Amir, and D, Turkane Wazir. Our right option is here the first one, A, Turkane Chahalgan or 40. Next question. Iltutmish introduced the Arabic coinage into India and silver dash become a standard coin in medieval India. Our options are first, Jittal, B, Dinar, C, Rial and D, Tanka. Our right option is here the final one, D, Tanka. Next question. Choose the correct options given below. First, A, can be credited with making Delhi the political, administrative and cultural center of the Turkish rule in India. Second option, he patronized many scholars and number of Sufi saints came to India during his reign. Minhajus Siraj, Tajuddin, Nizamul Mulk, Muhammad Junaidi, Malik Qutbuddin Hassan, Fakhrul Malik Isami were his contemporary scholars who added a grandeur to his court. C option, the famous Qutub Minar near Mehroli, Delhi, the tallest stone tower in India, 238 feet, was completed in the year of 1231 CE. He built magnificent mosque at Ajmer. And D option, thus he made Delhi second Baghdad. Our correct options are here A, B, C and D. Next question. Sultana Razia ascended Delhi Sultanate throne in 1236 CE with a title of, our options are here the first one, Ummatul Nisaun, and B option, Sultan Jalalatul Dunya Wal Deen, and C option, Al Sultan Al Muazzam Riyazatul Deen Bint Al Sultan, and D option, all of the above. Our right option is here last one, D, all of the above. Next, consider the following statements and choose the incorrect options. The first one, the most formidable enemy for her rule was the famous 40, the Turkish nobles of Delhi. And B, the Wazir Nizamul Mulk Junaidi, who had opposed her elevation to the throne was defeated and forced to flee. And C option, she discarded the female appear and started the holding court with her face unveiled. She even hunted and led the army in war. And finally D, Razia appointed Jamaluddin Yaqut, an Ethiopian slave, as a superintendent of royal meeting. Our incorrect option is here the final one, D. Jamaluddin Yaqut appointed as a superintendent of royal horses, not meetings. Next options. Razia was defeated by dash in 1240 CE and the unfortunate couple was put to death the very next day by some robbers near dash. Our options are here. The first one A, Ruknuddin Firoz Shah near Delhi, and B option Nasiruddin Muhammad near Bengal, and C option Ghiyasuddin Muhammad near Punjab Bhatinda. Finally D, Muizuddin Bahram near Kaital. Our right option is here the final one, D, Muizuddin Bahram near Kaital, Haryana. Next question, who was the greatest Sultan of Mamluk dynasty? Our options are here. The first one, Qutbuddin Aibak, and B option Sultan Shamsuddin Iltamash, and C option Razia Sultana, and D option Ghiyasuddin Balban. Our right option is here, greatest Sultan of Mamluk dynasty, D, Ghiyasuddin Balban. Next question, the long palm Bauli inscription at Delhi in the classical Sanskrit issued by, our options are here. The first one, Qutbuddin Aibak, second Bahram Shah, and Ruknuddin Mubarak Shah. The option, Bahuddin Balban. Our right option is here the final one, D, Bahuddin Balban. Next question, Ghiyasuddin Balban ruled the Delhi Sultanate from dash to the dash. He was the dash ruler of the Mamluk dynasty. Our options are here. The first one A, from the 1266 CE to 1287 CE, and ninth ruler. B option from 1267 CE to 1288 CE, 10th ruler, and C option from 1268 CE to 1289 CE, 11th ruler, and finally D from the 1209 to 1290 CE, 12th ruler. Our right option is here the first one, from 1266 CE to 1287 CE, and 9th ruler. Next, consider the following statements and choose the incorrect option. Our options are here. The first one A, Balban was the first to be called Zille Ilahi in the Delhi Sultanate, and second option, Balban assumed the title Nayabat Khodai, and C option, Guru Mukteshwar and Palm Bauli inscription, Balban has been called the assistant of the Khalifa, and D option, Balban adopted the blood and iron policy to suppress the Delhi Sultanate rebels. E option, Balban had formed a agricultural department as a Diwane Ariz, and final F, Balban abolished Turke Chahalgani. Our correct option is here E, Balban had formed agriculture department as a Diwane Ariz, and it is a military department, Diwane Ariz.